Herbert Hoover and the Great Depression by Leslie Soto. Herbert Hoover became known during the World War I when he coordinated the Belgian relief program. Herbert Hoover was from the Republican Party who became the 31st President of the United States on March 4 of 1929. During the 1920s, the economic of the farmers was getting worse. President Hoover's first act was to deal with the farmers. On June 15 of 1929, he signed the Farm Relief Bill. During his first months in presidency, President Hoover proposed the Good Neighbor policy. This policy was to make good relation with other countries, most with Latin America. 7 months after Hoover took the presidency, the economic of the United States decreased drastically due to the stock market crash. President Hoover thought that if he helped business get better, it will make the economic crisis decrease and open more jobs, but his idea was too late because the crisis was getting worse instead of better. President Hoover passed the Glass-Steagall Act of 1932 that limits bank activities. During the Depression, President Hoover only made minimal attempts to end the economic crisis. For example, rugged individualism, emphasis on private remedies, Reconstruction Finance Corporation, RFC, and increased public work spending. President Hoover construction project employed thousands of people that need jobs in the Hoover Dam. President Hoover lost the elections of 1933 and Franklin D. Roosevelt became the 34th President of the United States.